riding home from Branson. We went to visit the Combs. Sage is really fussy. I know. It's 4 o'clock. And she doesn't know what she wants. But she's being really cute. So I thought we would show you some fussy time. Oh. Yeah, well, do you want it or not? I know, it's rough. It's rough. Oh, look what I have. Yeah, look what I have. You showing off for the camera. Are you showing off? Oh. Almost, huh? Oh. Keep it in there. Okay, crazy. Keep it in there. Come here. Oh, that's too bad. Over here. Hey, over here. Over here. Come on. On this side. Come on. Yeah. I know. You don't know if you want it or if you don't, do you? You just don't know. I know. Figure it out. Do you or don't you? You don't know. Poor little girl. I know. Poor little girl. Oh, princess. Where are you going? Okay, you don't want it? I don't know what you want. Do you know? Okay, you want it. For how long? Oh, 2 seconds apparently. Oh. Oh. Well, okay, fine then. Oh. All right, let's keep it in there. Keep it in there. Fine then. Say bye. Say bye to everybody. Say bye. There. Bye.